Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yes, when they again, my people, manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that are being talked about on social media, viewing subscribers. All right. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person who had been held by police within the country of Jamaica. Now, in my point of view, the video shows some type of pulling and a bit of shoving between at least one civilian and police viewing subscribers. And in my point of view, the situation looks somewhat aggressive. And where those persons was standing at, in the video that I saw, I find it to be dangerous, because I see a wall and I see pieces of steel out of the wall, and the whole situation, I just find that to be dangerous. So I'm saying to viewers, subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information as to what caused that situation. I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police held on to the person. I also saw other pieces of videos about the same situation, but I'm presenting this video to you because the situation I'm seeing in the video really and truly look away, and I like to tell me what I think about this type of situation. So that I'm saying to you, yeah, you can tell me if you see any faults, any rights, any wrong, who might have done this wrong, who might have done that, and what. Let me know what I think. Oh, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, my people. You notice here somebody some mother in the video. So me talk about my people. You see the spot, you see the dangerous position that those persons was at. Yeah, so the video shows at least one person that had been held by police within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. Information as to what really caused that situation, not confirmed to my knowledge, but the video is being talked about on social media. That spot that they were at, dangerous. Alright, the people, now, here I am going to present a video to you that you might find interesting. This video is going to show some things that happened when one motor vehicle that was being operated by a motorist collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. Now, when I look at the situation, viewers and subscribers, I reached to the conclusion that one of these motorists was in the wrong. And I'm going to point out which one I think was wrong, viewers and subscribers. See? But I'm going to present the video to you first, so that you can look at the situation, look at the surrounding that you can see in the video, and based on the situation that you can see in the video, you can tell me which one of these motorists was right from which one of these motorists was wrong when it comes down to how those two motor vehicles collided with each other, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Here's the cut. Alright. That's the collision right there, my people. Now, take a look around in the video, right? When it comes on to a spot like that, or when it comes down to an intersection like that, and as a real driver, what would you be looking for? Well, Me soon point it out to you. Hold on. Alright, now let me talk to you now, people. See, if you look at the video carefully and look right at the corner of the screen right here, let me try and point it out to you. See, you can notice this right here. Yeah, me just want to say this right here. You see? Now, me notice that me see this showing a type of color. And then when the video reached to a certain point, look at what color appears on this thing right here. You see the next color? Now, when you look at that now, and based on the incident that happened, which one of those motorists you think was in the wrong? Yeah, if that thing was working properly, then in my point of view, I would say that the motorist was operating this motor vehicle that you can see on your screen being highlighted was in the wrong. And that's in my point of view. But you can let me know what you think. I'm just giving you my opinion, my point of view. Who I think was in the wrong when it comes down to that incident. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during some type of a confrontation between a person and a law enforcer. Now, it seems as if the person did not agree with whatever the law enforcer said to the person. You know, and I think I hear the word bank mentioned in the video to viewers and subscribers. But let's look and listen to this video, which is not really a long video. But let's try and get an understanding what the situation was about. Observe.
Money. You must send me outside and thief for money. Eh? Come away. Nigga, they ain't on a bed to come. But then, can thief for money? We must come on the bank. Take time, talk to them thief for money. First time $40,000.
The word thief as well mentioned in the video too. He said away. Well, I have certain confirmed information about that the situation there, but one person seems upset or don't seem pleased, and I think you hear certain things said in the video.
You're going to try me out of the bank. You're going to try out a 60-year-old woman out of the bank. Can the bank thief for money? You're going to try me.
Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person climbed over what looked like a type of fence and removed something from a property. Now, in my point of view, whatsoever the person removed from that property or whatsoever the person lift up and put over the fence to remove from the property look like a bicycle to me. It looked like a bicycle to me. Now you can take a look at the video and tell me what you think the person removed from that property. You know, the situation look away. Oh, and I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. See me I say? And what that person had done, it is considered to be bad. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Here's a video, my people. See the person out this. So let me see. Look carefully. That's all. That look. You see what that look like? What does that look like to you? What that look like to you, my people? Yep. So tell me what that look like to you, my people, you know? Tell me if you agree with me or if you don't agree with what I said. See? Alright, so I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show when a person put a certain amount of things in a bag while the person was inside of a store. this video shows a person behaving in what I would call a suspicious way. Yes, I mean, answer because, you know, why the person did something like that inside of a store. And look at the person's behavior. But you let me know what you think as well, you know. I don't have any confirmed information as to where this video will be recorded. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me. Look. So the person though. See that? Alright? Well, so my people, blessed to everyone, you know. Those videos have been brought to my attention. A certain situation have brought to my attention. We talk about them. You can let me know what you think, you know. Here's where I'm going to leave it. And big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.